Guess what I got? Here. Can you take a guess? I got a Sapkin Squishy! Woo! Okay. I was gonna get time, but Mom told me no. Still got some squishes. Squishes. Now, we got all of these. Collect them all. Right there. We can get all of these. Oops. Want to focus? Okay. So get some French fries. Milk. Hold on. It's too light. Hold up. Okay, so this is the best I can do. So, if you can't see, I'm sorry. We got some. Oh my gosh. Everyone, something's going wrong with my camera. Okay, there we go. So we got some milk, a donut, popsicle, 2 popsicles, pretzel, burger, grapes, ice cream, pie, mushroom pie, sushi, bread, Jello, taco, more sushi, and I forgot what that was called. And we got some more on the front. We got pineapple, sushi again, mushroom pie, milk again, donut. I really want the donut, so let's go ahead and open it. Now this is series 2. Here, let me put you here. Can I go see? Can you see now? Let me put you. Okay, there. Hope you guys can see me. If you can't see my face, then that's alright. I'll show you squishy. It's squishy. And and it does smell because I think it smells because it's food. So let's just go ahead and open this. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Oh my god! There's glitter on it. This is so soft and squishy. Look at it. It's so slow. I love it. And on the back, I don't know what this is called. What is it called? It doesn't have a name, does it? No, I think it's fruit. I know that, but what's it called? I don't know really. Who cares? But and it smells so perfect. It smells like strawberries a little bit. I mean, it doesn't have a really good smell. It smells good though. It smells so freaking good. I do have like a little hole, but I mean, it's so good. It's in good condition. It's not in bad condition. It's not ripped or teared. Like, you know, they're squishy. But it does have a tiny little hole that you would never notice. So, it has a lot of tiny fish. I love it. I love this. Squish it. And, I really wanted the donut. So, yeah. So, yeah.
Amazing. Did you see the one for Ram? You've got to check these out.